Alright guys, Matt Pratt here, and I have something a little bit different I'm going to be working on the next couple of days. Let's check it out. What do we have here? This is a 2014 Ford Focus ST. It's got the EcoBoost motor, which is a turbocharged 4-cylinder. It is front wheel drive, and it only has 70,000 miles. Sounds great. It's wrecked though. It's got a clean title. Yes, a clean title. This isn't from Coparts. Coparts, you get salvage titles. You get parts cars. This is a legit car we can just put back together and put it on the road to sell it. I am actually against Copart cars. There are so many YouTube videos of people buying cars on Coparts, and I barely ever see them sell them. Selling a salvage car is a pain in the butt. The thing is those cars were wrecked and totaled for a reason. There are certain repair procedures that need to be performed at OEM spec in order for them cars to take another hit to save your life. I would much rather pick up someone else's project to make profit. And that's pretty much one thing that I always do, is project for profit. All of my cars are technically projects for profit. They were someone else's issue, and I took them at my advantage and fixed them up. Yeah, I've kept most of them, but I've also sold most of them. A lot of cars that I've gotten in the past have funded the cars that I have now. And that's something anyone could do if you like working on cars, right? Clean title, 70,000 miles, and the best part, it comes with all the parts. I mean, seriously. See if I can get it to open. I mean, we got fenders. I got a headlight here. I don't know what this is, but it's got that too. I mean, I think we have a bumper hiding in here, it looks like. So pretty much all the parts are in the car. It might be missing a few here and there, but I think we got a good start to this project. Well, the first step is to talk about the damage. I mean, we can look in here and I see a buckle here and a slight buckle there. This might be pointed down. All this looks kind of good. This area right here, your reinforcement, I mean, it looks good, it looks straight. The rails look good. This has a little buckle here. This might have been pushed back too. Apparently the owner who had it before hit a deer. What do we got here? Some wiring. This might go to a headlight or something. We might be missing some stuff here, but nothing actually looks broken, which is awesome. I think we got a dent here in the condenser. It might be safe to replace that, but I guarantee you it's not leaking. We got a radiator shroud that's broken. Shouldn't be an issue. I mean, honestly, this looks like a pretty easy hit. As for paint, I'll be painting the fenders on it, the hood, the front bumper. The rear bumper needs to be painted silver. I mean, if you want to look down the side of it, there's no major dings or dents. You know, we got a little bit of rough paint there, a little bit of rough paint there, but no major dings or dents. So of course, when this car got dropped off to me, this is a no-brainer. I have to knock this car out, so. All right, let's bust out all these parts and check it out. Alright, we definitely have a mix of parts here. Some of these parts look like they might be performance parts, and some parts actually look like actual body parts. So this one says custom performance engineering. I haven't even looked in it yet. It honestly felt empty. Okay, so looks like we have, oh, okay, so this is the, all right, this is all the factory airbox stuff. That's what it looks like. It's kind of cool for him to throw that in here, maybe for warranty situations. You know, there's some clips, we'll actually need those. So this box is, whatever, we can just put that back. This, what is this? This could be the same thing. Oh, sweet, this is perfect. Yeah, so we got 2 headlights that are made in China. Okay, I think they were shipped before that crazy coronavirus. So we're good. Nothing to be afraid of. But that's one. Awesome. So we got 2 headlights. Great. I've seen this. This is actually really important because this radiator I noticed was leaking and it was all coming from here, and I think this is the pipe. I think that's the pipe for it. So that's really cool. I think it's actually cracked around the area. When I replace it, I'll show you guys. These are back here too. They could have went to that factory air box that's in that box over there. Here's something from eBay. No clue what this is. Oh, these are hood hinges. Awesome. I don't know where they mount to. Oh, these suckers come all the way back there. Seriously? Hold on. I think this goes on the right. Let me grab the left. Wow, that is wild. That goes all the way back there for the hood. That's one hell of a hinge. Anyways, good, we got hood hinges. I do not see a hood, that's okay. Because I work at a body shop, I can actually, you know, tell my parts guys, hey, do me a favor, find me a used hood or maybe an aftermarket hood to go with these aftermarket fenders. So I'm not really worried about that. I know not everything is going to be here. We're going to have to put some sort of money into it. It's all right. So I got 2 fenders. I know these are fenders. Let's pop one out just to make sure that, you know, they're not messed up or anything like that. Not bad. I mean, we'll see when we actually get in there to actually fit them up, but they look pretty close. Trust me, I've had some aftermarket fenders that were like way off. I think they've came a long way nowadays. What else do we have? This part right here, that feels a little too flimsy. I think this just might be a cover. We can undo this. All right, this piece is nothing major. It looks like just probably goes about right here. Just kind of wraps up underneath the hood a little bit. Not a structural piece. I'm still looking for an upper tie bar area, which I do not see. This thing, this is the last one I wanted to open up. This one's gonna need some work. Believe it or not, this is the front bumper. And they got this thing folded up something fierce. I guarantee you he bought this bumper from China or something, since all the other parts were really bad. And I'm not even gonna pull it out of this wrapper. In fact, I got to get it on a stand to get it to lay out. All right, so I think what I'm gonna do is just kind of like, I need to take the side skirts off. I'm gonna bolt both fenders on. I'm just roughly bolting them on. I might bolt the hinges on just for now, just so I can get rid of some of these parts and figure out more of what I need. Alright, I came to the spot where I can only put on so many more parts. This piece actually looks like it might go inside of a bumper. Not really sure yet. They got the hinge on there, which were really confusing. Fenders are on there. Looks like all the bolts that were given to me look like we have them all, which is awesome. Looks like the next piece that I'm going to need is whatever structural piece is going to be up here, and it looks like it mounts to here, holds the radiator in here, and also you're able to connect the bumper up here. But I do not know what that looks like, what that piece is yet. The next step for this is to get a diagram made out at work, figure out what I need, order that and the hood, and I think I'll be good. Here's something that we haven't seen yet. I got to show you guys the interior. I mean, you can see these seats through the window, and then come to find out they're Recaro leather. It's pretty cool. Feels like this like even hugs you, so you're not sliding around on leathers. Oh man. I'm sure this screen's touchscreen. Got carbon fiber vents. I mean, this interior is just really nice. We got a boost gauge. That looks like an oil pressure gauge. That's a temperature gauge. That's oil temperature. That's really cool. It's like a good road race thing. I'll tell you what, driving this car around in and out of the shop and looking at it, I got a totally different opinion on it. These things are really nice. This wing looks really good. I want to change it up a little bit. Maybe I'll just paint the factory wheels like a gunmetal or something. You know, something that will go good with this silver. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna order parts for this thing tomorrow. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do it, because I'm always working on something different every single week. And if you have subscribed, appreciate it, thank you. Go work on something. I'll see y'all next video.